Here we have the HPJ accu-systems CNC boring and dowel insertion machine. This machine has 4 clamps, 2 different zones, and has a host of upgrades, including a Windows 7 operating system, a newer upgraded computer, and an E-load touchscreen. Go ahead and fire it up right now. And we're going to record this in real time just so you can see how quickly this thing boots up. Once Windows loads, the accu-systems HPJ software automatically opens and we are ready to operate the machine. As you can see, the machine has the hopper up top for the dowels. We don't have any dowels today, so we'll just be simulating the drilling and the dowel insertion. Now the software should boot up automatically. And there it is. It's a simple interface. I'm going to home the machine, so we're just going to hit the home button. Here we can see the machine homing. It's just referencing off some sensors. Once it says machine is homed in the upper left, it is now ready to go. We'll just hit the auto button. And from this interface, we just select a program. And there's our program. And we can edit this, we can adjust the dimensions, we can turn on or off the dowels and the drilling. And here you can create your own programs, or you can import from a variety of softwares like Microvellum or Cabinet Vision, KCDW. Once we hit the begin program, it's ready to run, and the machine is just now waiting for us to hit the zone 1 or zone 2 button. That'll actuate the clamps and begin the program. So it's firing a dowel on the ones that we left yes for doweling. And once it's done with the first zone, it's waiting for us to hit the zone 2 button. Again, the clamps will go down, securing our workpiece, and we'll begin drilling and inserting dowels on the other side. And we can get it preloaded and load our next panel, and then the machine will continually run without pausing or stopping. That'll allow us to jump back between zones very quickly and very efficiently. It's drilling again, and now we're ready to hit zone 2. Again, the clamps go down. It's ready to go to that workpiece when zone 1 is done. And when we're done with production, we can simply hit the end program button on the screen. That turns off the spindle. Now we have these 4 clamps. They are of course adjustable, so you can unlock them and move them around a little bit. Thanks for watching this video on the HPJ accu-systems CNC boring and dowel insertion machine. Please don't hesitate to give us a call with any questions. We look forward to hearing from you soon.